What's up everybody, it's generic info, robotics. It's not just science fiction anymore. Building your own robot might sound like something straight out of a tech dream, but trust me, it's more accessible than you think. Welcome to our ultimate beginner's guide to the best Raspberry Pi robot kits for 2025. We're diving deep into the world of Raspberry Pi robot kits, and whether you're a total beginner just starting out, or you've been tinkering for a while and looking to upgrade your current setup, you're in the right place. Over the next few minutes, we'll be unboxing, reviewing, and comparing some of the hottest robot kits on the market. We'll break down each kit's features, build process, programming, and overall performance to help you find the perfect one for your skill level and budget. Stick around, you don't want to miss this on AI Tech Beat. First up, we're starting with a kit that's perfect for beginners, the Sunfounder Picar V. Right out of the box, you can tell Sunfounder put a lot of thought into making this kit approachable. Everything's neatly organized, and they give you a really clear, step-by-step assembly guide. Trust me, even if you've never touched a breadboard before, you'll be able to get this thing put together. One of the things I appreciate about the Picar V is its focus on visual programming. They use Python, which is already a beginner-friendly language, but they take it a step further with a drag-and-drop interface. This means you can start learning the logic of coding without getting bogged down in syntax. It's a great way to get your feet wet and start experimenting with basic robot movements right away. But don't let the simplicity fool you, the Picar V is still packed with cool features. We're talking object recognition, line following, and even real-time video transmission. You can control this thing with your phone, your keyboard, or even set it up for autonomous driving. For a beginner kit, it really checks all the boxes. Next up, we're switching gears and checking out something completely different. The Freenove Robot Dog Kit. This thing is just plain cool. I mean, who doesn't love the idea of having their own robot dog? But what really makes this kit stand out is its unique design. We're not talking about wheels here, people. This pup moves on 4 legs, and let me tell you, it's surprisingly lifelike. Now, this kit is definitely a step up in terms of complexity compared to the Picar V. The assembly takes a bit longer, and you'll need some patience for cable management. But trust me, the aha moment when you see this thing take its first steps is totally worth it. On the software side, you've got options. Freenove gives you the flexibility to use Python or C++, so you can choose the language that best suits your skill level. And if you're into advanced robotics concepts like inverse kinematics, which is how you get those smooth, dog-like movements, this kit is an awesome platform to dive into that. Chapter 3, a deep RaspTank Smart Robot Car Kit, Sensors Galore. Let's move on to a kit that's all about versatility. The Adept RaspTank Smart Robot Car Kit. This thing is like the Swiss Army knife of robot kits. It comes with a ton of sensors. We're talking ultrasonic, light, sound, even a gyroscope. This means you can program the RaspTank to interact with its environment in a bunch of different ways. Speaking of programming, Adept gives you a few different options here too. You can use Python, which is always a good starting point, but they also support Arduino IDE. This opens up a whole world of possibilities if you're into tinkering with electronics and want to incorporate other sensors or actuators down the line. But what really impressed me about the RaspTank is its build quality. It feels solid, and you can tell they use durable materials. Plus, the modular design makes it easy to add or remove components. If you're the type of person who likes to experiment and tweak their builds, this kit gives you the freedom to do that. Chapter 4, Yaboom Smart Robot Car Kit AI on Wheels. Now, if you're ready to take your robotics journey to the next level and dive into the world of AI, the Yaboom Smart Robot Car Kit is where it's at. This kit is designed to introduce you to concepts like machine learning, computer vision, and autonomous navigation. One of the standout features of this kit is its compatibility with platforms like TensorFlow and OpenCV. These are industry-standard tools used by professionals in the field of AI, so you're not just messing around with toy versions here. You're getting hands-on experience with the real deal. And don't even get me started on the applications. We're talking about facial recognition, object tracking, even voice control. The Yaboom Smart Robot Car Kit lets you build a robot that can not only see and understand its environment, but also learn and adapt over time. It's like having a little mini self-driving car in your living room. Chapter 5, Dexter Industries GoPigo 3. Backed by a powerful community last but not least, we have the Dexter Industries GoPigo 3. Now this kit might look unassuming at first glance, but don't let that fool you. What really sets the GoPigo 3 apart is its incredible community support and documentation. Seriously, Dexter Industries knocked it out of the park in this department. They have a super active forum where you can find answers to almost any question you can think of, tons of tutorials and even sample projects to get you started. And if you ever run into a roadblock, the community is always there to help. It's like having a team of robotics experts on call 24/7. But it's not just the community. The GoPigo 3 itself is a solid piece of hardware. It's compatible with a wide range of sensors and accessories, and its expandable design means you can keep adding to it and creating increasingly complex projects. If you're looking for a kit that will grow with your skills, the GoPigo 3 is definitely worth checking out. That's a wrap on our Raspberry Pi Robot Kit Roundup. From beginner-friendly builds to AI-powered machines, there's a kit out there for every interest and skill level. Hopefully this video gave you a better idea of what each kit has to offer, and helped you decide which one is right for you. No matter which kit you choose, diving into the world of Raspberry Pi Robotics is an incredibly rewarding experience. You'll learn valuable skills, unleash your creativity, and who knows, you might even inspire the next generation of robot builders. Thanks for watching AI Tech Beat. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tech guides and reviews. Check the description for a comprehensive article with more details. Let us know in the comments which Raspberry Pi robot kit you're excited to try out.